5 places you can sneak fitness into your day. 1. At home, move while you watch TV. You can march in place or do squats while you hold the couch. Have chores? Mop, scrub, or vacuum vigorously enough to get your ticker pumping. 2. On errands. Park your car farther away from the store so you walk more. Take a stroll inside before you start shopping. 3. Outside. Enjoy a daily walk with your family, friends, or a four-legged pal. Ever tried gardening? It can be a good physical activity. 4. On vacation. No gym? No problem. Do standing push-ups against the wall or your bed. Walk as much as possible when you go sightseeing. Skip the taxi once in a while. 5. At work. Take a brisk walk around the office a few times a day. Get up from your seat at least once an hour. You could do some gentle stretches. See you in the next video. Subscribe to stay healthy with our health educational videos, tips and updates. Public Health Channel.